When data teams start building serious analytics and machine learning pipelines, two names often lead the conversation: Databricks and Amazon Web Services Glue. Both are powered by Apache Spark and promise managed, scalable data processing. But their design goals and user experiences are quite different. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the better choice for modern data teams. Databricks is built as a unified data and AI platform. It blends data engineering, analytics, and machine learning into one collaborative environment. The foundation is Apache Spark, but Databricks adds a lot of performance optimization, easier management, and deep integration with popular data tools. Teams work inside shared notebooks that support multiple languages like Python, SQL, and Scala, which makes collaboration between engineers, analysts, and data scientists seamless. The platform's Delta Lake technology is a major strength. It brings reliability, version control, and transactional consistency to large data lakes. On top of that, Databricks includes built-in machine learning tools, automated model tracking, and a feature store, so your data science workflows can move from experimentation to production in the same space. It is designed for teams that want one central platform for the entire data lifecycle. Amazon Web Services Glue, by contrast, focuses on simplifying data integration and transformation. It is a fully managed extract, transform, and load service built around Apache Spark, but it automates most of the underlying setup. Glue automatically crawls your data sources, detects schemas, and builds a data catalog that can be used across other Amazon services like Athena, Redshift, and S3. Its visual interface, Glue Studio, allows you to design ETL pipelines without needing to write heavy code, while Glue Data Brew offers a no-code environment for data preparation. The biggest advantage here is how tightly Glue fits into the Amazon ecosystem. If your organization already runs most of its infrastructure on Amazon Web Services, Glue feels like a natural extension. It handles scaling, server management, and scheduling automatically. In the end, Databricks is the best choice for data teams focused on unified analytics and machine learning. AWS Glue is the best choice for teams focused on managed ETL within the Amazon ecosystem. Both are powerful Spark-based platforms, but they serve different stages of the data journey. For innovation and flexibility, Databricks leads the way. For simplicity and integration, Glue keeps data flowing smoothly at scale.